guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you my room tour. I change my room like all the time. I've been waiting to make this video for so long because I always feel like my room is not completely ready or something. Like I always feel like I can change something about my room. I decided that my room is never going to be like 100% done. So I thought, why not film the room tour now, and if I change it I can just film it again. I mean, when I got back from Spain I decided that I wanted to change my room, so I changed it up. My bed is now over here instead of over there. So yeah, let's just not make this intro too long and let's just get started. Alright, so when you walk into my room, this is basically what you see. On the left side of my door, we have this little frame. Okay, so here we have a letter from my best friend, and I just thought it was super cute, so it's on here. Then we have this, and I also got this from my best friend, and it's the cutest thing ever, so I just put it on here so I can look at it all the time. And we have two like photo booth and Polaroids with her. Then we also have 4 Polaroids with Sean. So here we have my school bag, and I haven't unpacked it, so it's over there. So in my opinion, this thing is like super cute. I love these 2 quotes, so I changed the text from this thing to these 2 quotes because I thought it was nice. And we have my Polaroid and 3 small plants, and here we have another. By the way, all the plants in my room are fake because I can't deal with real plants, they always die, so that's why my plants are fake. Then here we have a mirror. My 2 Victoria's Secret body sprays. I use this all the time, so that's why it's on here. I have a few of my necklaces. I love necklaces, so I have quite a few. Another plant, my sunglasses, and my favorite perfumes. Hugo Boss, Calvin Klein, and the Shawn Mendes perfume. This is my drawer, which I basically use for basically everything. I changed my room like a few weeks ago, so I don't really have a perfect spot for like my film equipment. I don't know if this is the perfect spot, probably not, but I don't really know where to put it, so it's just here for now. This is from IKEA, this is from IKEA, my bed is from IKEA, my desk is from IKEA, and that little thing is also from IKEA, and I don't know where the rest of it is from. There we have 2 fake roses and a candle, my radio, which I do not really use. In the first square we have my school box, some notebooks and just things I need for school. This is kind of cute. 2 Shawn Mendes CDs, we have a candle, we have my 15mm lens, we have a plant thing. We have this thing that my mom made for me 2 years ago. It's basically a cup with a picture of me and Sean, and that's just cute. A little thing where I can put things in. There's not really anything in it, but I can put things in it. We have my 2 Shawn Mendes passports there, my camera. And the next thing I have basically a memory box, like memory, so I put everything I want to keep in here. Here we have my book that I'm reading. Not really reading, but I started it, but I never finished, so that's here. Yearbook from school, little cute book I got from my friends, a photography book, and a handball book. Here we have 2 blankets and my MacBook case. I don't really know where to put my MacBook case, so it's over there. We just have some things for my Polaroid camera, some phone cases, some stuff for my phone and camera, and just things like that. And then the last one we have some camera bags and my Polaroid bag. This is my best friend in the summertime, and I love it. There's my signed Shawn Mendes World Tour poster. This is one of my favorite things. It's basically little things from places I've been to. Like this is from London, this is from Barcelona, from Pisa in Italy, and from Paris. Another fake plant, and another fake plant, some gum. I have my little desk. I used to have a really big desk, but I did not like that, so now I have a small one, and it's just super nice. My MacBook, a little lamp, 5 euros, don't ask me why. My favorite part is obviously my bed. I have a lot of pillows. Like I have these yellow ones from IKEA. I have these 2 which I got from my grandmom. I have this little heart from IKEA. I have this one from IKEA. And I have one that says, if you can dream it, you can do it. But I don't know where it's from. Cables and chargers and things that's not really important, but I do need it. On my little nightstands I have a lot of Polaroids, which I don't know what to do with. Phone, the case for my glasses, a lamp, a fake plant, and some water, and my necklace. This is also something I really like, a world map. and it's just black and white and just really simple, but there's something so cool about it. and I've had it for like 5 years. It's just so nice. And we have my 2 VIP lemonades from Shawn Mendes and this thing from Shawn. I just like how it looks like this. And then last but not least, my closet. A few bags here. I don't really know what they're doing here, but you know, forget it. I usually have my closet like open like this so I can have my mirror. Whenever I'm filming, I just close it because it's, I don't know, it looks so messy when you have it open. I'll just quickly explain however this is organized because it took me really long. So until here, it's basically my Shawn Mendes site, my tickets to see him, Polaroids, photos, my poster. Here we have a few things from my trip to Scotland in December, some random things, my boarding pass to Madrid. Here we have some things from my Scotland trip in June, my London trip in April, and some random things again. This is also really random. The James CW show, Astrid, Shawn, Brussels. This is a little note I got for my birthday from my friend from Finland, and it's the cutest thing ever. So I put it on here so I can look at it because it's so freaking cute. I love her. I don't know if all of this made any sense, but that's my room. Bye! That was my room. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel down below and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! My voice gets so high when I say bye. Okay, bye.